Hi all, I'm Smokerman and today I'm gonna present you Miui 10 developer version for Redmi Note 6 Pro. As you see, at the moment I have the global stable, okay, 10.04, the global, because this phone only has global version, don't have Chinese, so it's easier. So, first of all, as you see, I have downloaded the 8.11.23 ROM for global. It's developer ROM, okay? So, what is the steps to install this ROM? It's easy. As you all know, the notifications are not here, are buggy. Alarm clock, you have the alarm. If you put the alarm, as you see, I put the alarm. It doesn't show on the weather. Doesn't show also on lock screen. It doesn't show the alarm. You only have it here on the status bar. Okay, let me change the theme because this is not the default one. I'm gonna put the default right here. Okay, the default one, it's here. So it doesn't show, as you see, it only shows there, as you see, the icon of alarm. You don't have anywhere else. Okay, so this is the most annoying bugs I have found. I also find the notification light a little lower, but it doesn't bother me. The only thing it bothers, it's the notifications you don't have. As you see, I have one and it doesn't show, and the alarm clock. So to install this ROM, I'm just going. First of all, just connect the wireless. Okay, I don't have my bootloader unlocked. It's locked, as you see. It's locked. It's all default. I'm gonna go to here, MIUI Global. I'm going to go to System Update. So let me say this. Before you do that, back up all the things you want, okay? In my case, I'm gonna back up the message and the call log. Just go here and install this app. It's my favorite one. You can install another one if you want, okay? But this one, it's my favorite. So I'm gonna open. As you see, it's very fast to just choose backup new, choose Google Drive, put OK, choose your Google account, OK, and it's gonna back up all, okay? It's very fast to back up. So I have my the only things this backup, it's the call log and it's the message. I don't need anything else. I have contacts on the Gmail account, so now I don't want. If you want to back up anything else, just back up first. Then, as you see, no updates here. Go to here, choose update package, go to your internal storage or your folder that you download the home. In my case, it's this one. Okay, you have here, as you see, choose and put OK. Very important to connect the wireless. Okay, just connect the wireless. I'm doing this live so you guys can see what things can happen. Now it's decrypted. Just wait a minute. Don't forget, this will erase all your things. Okay, erase all. So back up all the things you want, because this procedure is gonna erase all. You're gonna lose it all. So pay attention on that. So it's decrypting. As you see, it's going to reverse your data will. Okay, erase and update. Again, another warning, and I'm gonna erase. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait to this to the phone boots. Okay, I will be back soon.